How to make a TNT cannon in Minecraft. So first, just go to the place where you want to put the cannon to. So I just want it right here. So just go get your dispenser and put one dispenser right there, and just make it so to look like this. And get a block, put it right here at the middle, and place another one here at the top. Then just destroy this block right there. Now get the slab and put it right here at the front, and get a water bucket and put it right here on the middle. Now, once that's done, you just simply need to go here at the back and put redstone dust on both sides right there. So just hold shift on your keyboard and right click on this so that it won't open up the dispenser. And just connect it right here. Now get some button and put it here at the back. So hold shift again and right click on it. Now once that's done, just get your redstone torch and put it here on the top. And now just simply get your TNTs and fill all these dispensers with it. Now once that's done, you just simply need to activate this by pressing on the button. And as you can see, it will launch a TNT and it will just explode like that. And the dispenser or the cannon will not explode. And just do it again. Click on the button. And as you can see, it will just pop up like that. And that's how I basically make a TNT cannon in Minecraft.